This is my Create a Colony project on my colony. I am aiming for the middle colonies because the land features and climate correspond with the economic activities I have decided to do. Also, the climate is diverse and suitable to live in, not too hot, not too cold. The middle colonies have a temperate climate with warm summers and cold winters. The physical features of the middle colonies are coastal plains along the coastline, Piedmont or rolling hills in the middle, and mountains farther inland. Two physical features that will affect me and my colony the most are the coastal harbors and the soil of the area. Its good coastal harbors and central position makes the middle colonies the center of distributions. Also, the middle colonies have deep, rich soil that is good for agriculture, especially grains and oats. They are known as the breadbasket because of this. The colony is going to be a chartered colony, under the control of an appointed governor with a charter. There will be a combination of assemblies, town meetings, and the royal government. I believe that self-government is relevant, but too much can be harmful. There still has to be government to maintain law and order to prevent people from their state of nature. Everyone in the colony should be able to have a voice and participate in the decision-making, but only a small group of people should carry their thoughts on for efficiency. My colony won't allow slavery for a couple of reasons. This is different from the most of the middle colonies because they actually do use some slavery. The first reason the colony won't allow slavery is that it's cruel and unfair. Secondly, my colony is going to have cultural acceptance, so allowing slavery will contradict that. Finally, allowing slavery may spark conflict with the Native Americans because they may be afraid that we will treat them the same way. However, we will allow indentured servants. The first three laws that everyone has to follow are no slaves or trading slaves, no taking property without consent, and nobody is above the law. To deal with widespread sickness, the doctors will be protected with heavy gear to care for those who got the sickness. Meanwhile, the government will search for the source of the sickness and try to cure it. The sick will be separated from the healthy to stop the virus from spreading. Something like the witchcraft trials would be hard to happen in the middle colonies because of religious differences. Since the colony is going to have many religions, nobody will be able to agree on what is happening. If something like this does happen, however, the government will start by looking for patterns. The government won't give anyone death but may imprison some people. To deal with a revolt from the people, we will see what is causing the people to revolt. Because most people wouldn't go against the government unless it's something big, since the government usually protects their natural rights. Then we will fix the problem. Finally, our colony will try to keep good relationships with the nearby Native American tribes. Even if there is a little conflict, we won't go full on out on them because it is most important to protect the people in our colony. However, if Native Americans harm our people, we will have to fight them. Similar to all middle colonies, we will enjoy a successful and diverse economy. The colony will be largely agricultural during the summer and the farms will take place near the coastal plains and a little bit of the Piedmont. Agricultural farms will grow numerous kinds of crops, including large amounts of barley, wheat, and oats. The industry will be the main economic activity during winters, and the manufacturing buildings will be near the Piedmonts and the mountains. Main industrial activities will include logging, shipbuilding, textiles production, and papermaking. Craftsmen such as blacksmiths, silversmiths, cobblers, wheelwrights, wigmakers, and milliners will also participate in the economics of the colony. Furthermore, the colony will be a major shipping hub. The colony will import raw materials like various types of metals and seeds. We will export well-made goods and agricultural products. Also, as a distribution center, the colony may also help other colonies import and export items. Finally, the colony will be taxing people, but it will be based on how much money the people have, so the economy is more balanced and everyone has enough money to survive. The taxes will be used to provide more jobs and make things that will benefit everyone. The culture of our colony will also be similar to the rest of the middle colonies. The colony will have a diverse culture and acceptance of all cultures. We will also attract various immigrants from foreign countries using the tolerance of practicing different religions. The colony can also attract different immigrants through our balanced economic activity and good climate. There will be no certain dominance of one religion. However, Quakers, Catholics, Jews, Lutherans, and Presbyterians will be among those religious groups that have significant numbers in the Middle Colonies. People in our colony will have the right to freedom of religious practice. Resources.